So, what is Google Data Studio? Google Data Studio is a cloud based business intelligence service that helps you unlock the power of your data with interactive dashboards and beautiful reports to create smart business decisions. It's easy and it's absolutely free to use. Google Data Studio is built on top of the Google App ecosystem and it offers tight integrations to Google based data sources like BigQuery, Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google Ads, YouTube, Google Sheets, and a lot more. It is scalable, it is serverless, and it is embeddable. That is, it can be easily embedded in your websites and portals. So this was about Google Data Studio. Thank you and see you in the next video.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching the video and welcome to my channel. This video was a part of the complete course on Google Data Studio, the link for which is in the description. Do not forget to check it out and enroll today.